Hi students, welcome to our physics class. In this class, we are learning how to calculate the resistance between 2 points, 2 ends of the circuits. Total resistance between 2 ends of the circuit. Yeah, how to calculate? See, here one example is given. Calculate the equivalent resistance between 2 points A and B. Here A, B. Between A and B, different resistances are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. Different resistances are given. Then how to calculate the total resistance of the circuit? Throughout the circuit, what is the total resistance between A and B? That is called equivalent resistance. So, equivalent resistance, how to find out? See, these two are parallel. Sorry, these two are series. R1 and R2 are series, in series. Connection is in series. You know formula, plot. Resistance in series, RS. R1 plus R2. When resistors are connected in series, simply add them. R1 plus R2. Yeah, what is the resistance of this resistor? 2 ohms. Plus, what is the resistance? This resistance of this resistor? 2 ohms. Total how much? 4 ohms. These two. Series, you can add directly. Now come to these two. These two are parallel. These two are parallel. So add this resistance which are parallel. Parallel, see, parallel connection. These are parallel connection. Then find out resistance of parallel resistance. Total resistance of the parallel resistance. Here see parallel resistance what? R3. Here what is the formula for parallel resistance? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Here fractions 1 by R1, 1 by plus 1 by R2. We don't have a direct formula for parallel resistance. That is 1 by RP. Here 1 by RP. Parallel resistance. How will you get parallel resistance? You don't get directly formula. 1 by RP. You do first 1 by RP. That means total resistance of parallel will get in fraction 1 by RP. Then after getting result you can reciprocal. Now learn how to do 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. Now what is this? 1 by R3. What is the resistance? 3 third resistance. Resistance how much? Resistor third resistor. I have given numbers for resistors. Third resistor. Resistance how much? 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by R3. The value is 1 by 2 plus 1 by R4. Resistance of R4 how much? 2 ohms. Then we get after simplification we will get 2 1 plus 1, that means 2 by 2 is equal to 1 ohm. Yes, see 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. This is the formula for parallel resistors. To find resistance of the parallel, we don't have direct formula. 1 by RP formula there. 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. So then we get 1 by 2. How many ohms here? 2 ohms. How many ohms here? 2 ohms. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, we will get 1. That is equal to, after simplification, we get 1. That is equal to 1 by RP. This is 1 by RP. Means we don't have, already told, we don't have direct formula to RP, resistance in the parallel. So then total resistance is equal to reciprocal of 1. Reciprocal of 1 is, then that implies reciprocal of parallel, here see, resistance of total resistance of the parallel total resistance of the parallel resistors is equal to reciprocal of 1. You will get 1 only now. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only now. If it is 1 by 2, 2 by 1 reciprocal. If it is 1 by 3, 2 by 1 by 3, 3 by 1. So like that. So the inverse of the reciprocal of fraction, you will get the parallel resistors, sum of parallel resistors. Here anyhow you got 1 only now. One reciprocal 1 only now. So you get parallel resistance, total parallel resistance is 1. Now see, these two and this total is in series. This and this total is in series. Connection is in series. So what is the formula for finally? So total resistance is equal to add all. In case of series, simply add. So total resistance is equal to these two plus this total, how much you got? 1. So 2 plus 1, that is equal to, here already got now 2 plus 2 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5 ohms. This is total resistance of this circuit between point A and B. So formula for series, simply add. Formula for parallel, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. You will get result now after doing addition of fractions. Then that result reciprocal means reverse that fraction. Then you will get you will get resistance of the total resistance of the parallel. Total resistance between parallel resistors. Then you will get here you got 1. And that and this, now see, observe here, this one and this total is in series, so simply add, you will get 5 ohms. Now come to here, see, these are series, 3 plus 2 directly, you can get total 3 plus 2 how much? 5. And this are series, 4 plus 6 plus 4, 10. Now here see, this and this connection, these 3 are parallel. What is the parallel? Here see, drawn from junction, drawn from a single wire, these connections are drawn from single wire. So drawn from junction, this line and this line and this line, these 3 are drawn from single junction, single wire. So they are parallel. Don't think these 2 are parallel. Don't think this is junction. This is a junction. This is not drawn from single wire. This is just making curve. That's all. But it is in a series only. Not from junction. This is not drawn from wire. It is just making curve. The turning, that's all, but series only. These are series only. This is also series only. This total, and this one. These 3 are drawn from this circuit, and this circuit. You see, this connection. 3 are drawn from single wire. So then it is a junction. These 3 are parallel. And this one parallel. Now total resistance, total resistance formula, parallel resistance, sum of parallel resistors formula. You don't have direct formula, 1 by Rp. So then you will get 1 by these 2. How much? 3 plus 2, 5 plus these 2. How much? 6 plus 4, 10. 3 plus 2, series directly added. 6 plus 4, series directly added. Okay. Now plus this is 30. 1 by 30. Now this total and this one are in parallel. Then formula 1 by Rp is equal to, that means total resistance of the parallel resistors is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, like that. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. and this total will go. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3. So this total resistance is directly, when resistors are directly in the series connection, simply add this total and this total and this one. These three are in a parallel connection. So this total how much? 5. This total how much? 10. This is 30. This 5, this 10, 30 are in parallel. So don't think this is these two are parallel. This is series, just making curve. Not from the junction, not from the wire, not drawn from single wire. Just the same wire is making some bendings or some curves. So not drawn from single wire. This is drawn from here, but here these three wires are drawn from single wire. So that is why these are this total, this one, this total parallel. So parallel connection, when resistors are parallel, what is the formula? 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Take this R1, total is R1, 3 plus 2. This take this R2, 1 by 10, and this one, only single one, 1 by 30. Now make it, what is the LCM? 30 is the LCM. 5 6 jars, it's 1 jar. 10 3 jar, 3 1 jar. 30 1 jar, 1 1 jar. Now how much is simplification? 6 plus 4, 10 by 30. Now then by 30. This is 1 by Rp is equal to, means Rp means what? Total resistance of the parallel resistance. Total resistance of parallel resistance. Rp we are taking as a Rp is equal to 10 by 30. Now if you want the total resistance which is connecting parallel, total resistance of the parallel connection, parallel resistors is equal to reciprocal. Then you get total resistance of the all resistors which are connected parallel is 30 by reciprocal. You will get this is 1 by Rp formula there. I said 1 by Rp formula there, but we don't have direct resistor formula. Don't have 1 by Rp formula there. So reciprocal, then you will get 30 by 10 equal to 3 ohms. This total resistance of the total circuit is 3 ohms. Such a way we can measure the resistance of the total circuit. Thank you for listening. That's all.